everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to open or register for a new account for Santander Bank. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to register for online banking account for Santander Bank, then here's how to do it. Make sure to open up a web browser of your choice. Once you do that, go to the URL box and type in www.santanderbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Santander, which looks like this. Go to the login button at the top right hand corner if you already are registered for an online banking account, and enter your user ID followed by your password in the pop-up box, and click the login button to get access to your account. If you've not enrolled or registered for online banking yet, click on First Time User Enroll Now link beneath the login button. You'll need to verify your identity in order to enroll or sign up for an online banking account, so go ahead and select one of the options that you'd like to use for identity verification. You can choose between account number or ATM/debit or credit card. In my case, I'm going to choose account number. Make sure to enter the account number that has been provided to you by your bank. And now, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you don't have a social security number, click on this Don't Have SSN link. Once you enter your information, click the Continue button. Make sure that the information matches your records on your bank. Now, once your information has been verified, you'll be able to enroll and finish your registration right away for Santander online banking account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you should be good to go. That is how you can easily open an account on Santander. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.